With the state of our environment and the well-being of animals becoming increasingly important issues, it is vital that we instill a sense of respect and responsibility in our children from a young age. We'll tell some ways to do just that. Let's start with the importance of respect. We must teach our children to respect nature and animals, thus helping to create a more sustainable and compassionate world. Respect also helps children develop empathy and understanding for other living things, and can lead to a deeper appreciation of the natural world. To nurture respect in children, it is crucial to kindle their curiosity for nature and animals. Engage them with books, documentaries, trips to zoos, aquariums, or let them spend time outdoors exploring and observing the wonders of the natural world. In doing so, children can develop a profound sense of respect and appreciation for the environment and its creatures. Responsibility is intertwined with respect. Nurturing a sense of ownership and accountability in children involves children guiding them to take responsibility for their actions and their impact on the environment and animals. Children can contribute by actively participating in recycling programs, minimizing their use of single-use plastics, and dedicating time to volunteer at local animal shelters or conservation organizations. By engaging in these activities, children gain valuable life lessons and become mindful global citizens, actively protecting and caring for the natural world. Cultivating empathy plays a pivotal role in imparting respect for nature and animals. Helping children grasp the experiences and emotions of other living beings nurtures compassion and comprehension. Storytelling, conversations about current environmental and animal-related events, and promoting open expression of children's thoughts and feelings are effective methods to achieve this goal. Through these approaches, children develop a profound appreciation for the natural world and its inhabitants. Offering children learning opportunities, modeling respectful behavior, instilling a sense of responsibility, and nurturing empathy can collectively shape a generation of environmentally and animal-conscious citizens. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on raising respectful and responsible children. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching, and let's help our children develop a sense of respect and responsibility for the world around them.